Alright, hey, what is up, everybody? Are we live? We're live. Cool. Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is June with Ray Signs, and I'm going to be doing a food truck wrap design. I kind of got a idea going on in my head, so I'm going to go ahead and get started in that session. So, join me, and let's take care of business right now. So, I'm going to go ahead and switch over our camera view. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and drop the camera right here. Alright, hold on one second. Disconnect for a second. There we go. And I will zoom in so you guys can kind of see. I'm working on my iPad right now. Can you guys hear me? Okay, I'm working on my iPad right now, and I have it set up so you guys can see what's going on my screen. And basically, here's what we're doing. I have a food truck wrap that we're designing, and these are the two designs that I came up with so far, and I'll show them to you. I'm going to go ahead and close this down. Alright, so I got these two designs going on. Where is it? Right there. So this one is the first design that we have. It is just like a red background, and then I added like a little bit of detailing with these arrows, hand-drawn arrows. Added the food all around. It's just kind of showing the food, very big, very bold, very loud. I like it. I think it looks cool. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you the next design. This one right here, it's still got that grungy look to it, that paint splatter look. I like to call it a grunge look. Kind of like a bag of hot Cheetos is what I'm thinking. And yeah, so this one is got it going on as well. I like the combination of black and red for this one and the pop of yellow. This one I'm debating whether we're gonna keep the yellow here or we're gonna kind of make it red to kind of synchronize with everything else. So you guys let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But for now, I'm going to keep it yellow. The yellow just kind of pops more, but the red goes with the theme. So yeah, so that's the kind of the options that we're going for. And this particular client has an interesting situation where we're doing the front of it. We're doing the front of it where the window is. We're doing that a full wrap, and then the back is just gonna be like a lettering and kind of like a half wrap, but not really. It's gonna be lettering with just like a big decal on it, as you can see, and then the front and back is going to be completely stripped down of this old wrap, and we're just gonna put the logos on there. Just trying to give them a budget option, but still having that full wrap effect, and then later on down the line they will upgrade once the business grows and whatever, because they're doing a whole bunch of projects with us, so we want to be able to give them still a good look to it but fit within their budget. That's one of our main goals here. All right, so those are the two options that we have so far, but I'm kind of stylistically wanting to do something a little bit different, so that is why I have my iPad here, and I am going to be creating something on the iPad. The idea here, the concept that I'm trying to do, is I'm going to be using some of these icons, and then what I'm going to do, and I'll show you guys, I have some other ones over here. So I have those, and I have these ones that I worked on. And I'm going to be taking these icons, filling them in, and kind of using them as a stamp, as a background for the next design that I'm doing, which is going to be kind of like a collage style design, but not really. I don't know how to describe it just yet. The words haven't come to me just yet, but when they do come, then I will for sure let you guys know exactly what the thought is. But for now, join me as we create these designs, and I'll explain to you kind of like the setup and what I have going on here on the iPad and things like that. So I'm gonna actually cross out all of that, and then what else do we have here? So these are just like little stock images, and I'm going in and I'm trying to find some that are going to be worthy of my cause. So let's also do this. I don't know what else to do off of here. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of start from the beginning. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off. I'm gonna import a photo. Oops, my pencil is not connected. Let's connect them. Okay, tap to connect pencil. There you go. Apple Pencil is now connected. and I'm listening to an audiobook, so I'm also going to try to get that set up. Let's do that. Alright, there we go. And let's get this one in here. Alright, let's try this one out. What I'm basically going to do is I'm going to lower the opacity right now of that. A little bit more. Lines. Okay. That. Alright, cool. Go ahead and lock that layer. And now we are ready to kind of scribble scrabble to our thing. Scribble scrabble and dabble. Alright, cool. Now we are locked and loaded. I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And I'm just going to do my thing right now. Do my thing like 21. Alright, but I got to connect my headphones so I could, whoop, into my audiobook. Come on. What the heck is going on? I have to disconnect my headphones from here because I don't know why they work like this, but I do not like it. Sorry for this minor interruption. Forget the device. And then let's go back to our program. By the way, I'm using the Adobe Illustrator app, and that is a great app. It's one of my favorite apps to use, but it does get a little bit heavy. So whenever it does get heavy, I just I'll use Procreate. So just kind of think about that when you're designing. Okay, supposedly that's locked in. I don't know why I have this problem with these headphones. There it is. Now we can go ahead and carry on our life. Alright, and the idea is for this to be like a rough sketch. It's kind of the look that I'm going for. So that's kind of why I'm going a little bit sloppy in here, making these lines a little bit sloppy.